Hey guys, thanks for tuning back into the channel. Today's going to be a real quick day. I'm going to be behind the wheel of the Trax. We're going to head on into Pincher Creek to give it a wash. That's right, Sundays are my house cleaning and car cleaning and fill up the tank with fuel just so I can start off Monday right and I don't have to worry about any car related stuff. It's something where you can jump behind the wheel, you know you're good all week. So that's kind of the plans for this Sunday. I haven't done much on the Trax because I only had it for a week and a half. Look for videos that come out. I have purchased a couple of modifications, just waiting for those to come in the mail. But anyway, guys, let's jump behind the wheel, take her into Pincher Creek, and give this thing the shine that it deserves. Well guys, I made it to the Silver Spray Wash here in Pincher Creek. It's actually not too bad, a little bit breezy. Let's go take a look at the Trax and see how dirty it is and see what quality work that the touchless wash does. So as you can tell, just road dirt, a little bit of noise from that the blower vacuum. Of course, Murphy's Law, when you're trying to film, it's not ideal. So it just got some rain and some basic road debris that's dirty, so we'll see what it goes like. I did bring some cleaning chemicals for the wash bay, and I'll show you what those are. So I'm just trying to use some of my consumables. So when I'm in the wash bay doing the vacuuming, I'm going to be kind of just wiping the dashboard and glass cleaner with this Simonize. This is what you get at Canadian Tire. It's their in-house brand. Trying to use that up. I don't mind the stuff. And then I'm trying to use this Max Tire Shine. It's a Napa brand tire shine. It's all right, works all right. I just want to kind of get rid of it and just go through some of the stuff before I, figure out which one I really want to do. And then I'm going to give it a quick little chamois and stuff like that. So that's kind of the plan with this one in here. It looks like it's getting a little bit busy, so we might have to stay in line before I get into the wash. We'll see which wash package I choose. You can go from their packages from Mild to Wild, but yeah, let's give the baby a little bit of a wash.
Purchase a wash or enter code. Please select a wash package. Please select one of the options on the screen. Please insert bills or coin. Please take your change. Would you like a receipt? Push it or not? Please drive forward.
Well guys, that was a cost of about $15, including the vacuum and the wash bay time. So do I give it a good rating? Unfortunately, the touchless did leave a lot of residue. When I was shamming the vehicle, the chamois came out dirty, and I mean really dirty, more than it should have been. So either the system is inadequate or the chemicals that are in there weren't at the right mixture. So I might give it another shot. If there isn't an improvement, then I'm just going to stick with the typical old-fashioned way. The only difference is I'm going to bring my own wash mitt. This way I'm not putting any contamination into the Trax. But anyway guys, let's go take a quick look at it and let me know what you guys think. So the tire shine came out not bad. Like I said, it's just a cheaper brand, but for just a car wash, it's acceptable, you know. But again, I was very disappointed with the this has been chamoised, so you know you don't see the residue mark. It had a film left over it. Not sure if you can see at the bottom there, it didn't come out so good. So unfortunately, I give it a, you know, maybe a 3 or 4 star rating out of 10, or a 2 out of 5. Even for the price point and knowing that you're just getting a basic wash, it should have been a lot better than that. So I'll give it another shot, see if it improves. If not, then I'm not going to go use the car wash, the touchless again. It's just not worth the money. You might as well just go in and blast it off with a wand for a fraction of the cost. So that's basically my opinion on it. Anyway guys, if you're new around here, hit like, subscribe. Thanks for joining the channel. I have a lot of content coming up with the Trax, its modification, and also my 99 Dakota. So you guys have a good time, stay loose, and we'll catch you on the next episode of Cornetti Motorsports.